Hi, this is Sam Academy. I'm here to teach you on a topic called speed. I got this question from first school living. Are you with me? So now, in this question, it's very easy. Very, very easy. So now, what is speed? Speed is distance traveled along the object, the use of time. So what does it mean? It means that speed goes with what? Kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour, and the time goes with an hour. Is it clear now? So that is it. So let's solve it so you can understand better. I say it again. Let me say it again. Speed goes with what? Kilometer per hour. Kilometer goes with what? Going to what? Distance goes with what? Kilometer. Then time goes with what? The hour. Now, let me show you what it means. Now, follow me. Now, in this thing now, if a car travels 150 kilometers in 2 hours, the average speed of the car will be, now in this question now, they say we should find the speed. Are you with me? Now, the distance here is what? Kilometer, as I said before. Then the time here is what? The time here is what? 2 hours. Now, so the speed now is what? The speed they said if a car travels 150 kilometers, so here is 150. Are you with me? Now, over the time 2. So speed is equal to, remember, the formula is distance over time. So you can understand what I mean. So distance is the kilometer, then the time is what? The hour. Are you with me now? So distance is kilometer, then time is hour. You understand what I mean? So it's very easy. Very easy. So let me show again the answer. Now, 150 divided by 2. So 15 divided by 2 is 7. Is 7. Remember what? 1. Are you with me? So now 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. So the answer is what? 75. So if you want to write it, you must write it in units. That's how it goes. Unit of it. So it now what? 75 kilometers per hour. So that is it. Okay, so in this one now, so I'm done solving this, and this part is the part of speed. So I'm done getting the speed out of it. So let's now go over the part where we have to find kilometer. Because most likely, most of what students do is that they know that thing that is only the question of speed is only when you find the speed only. No, there's a part you also have to find the kilometer. So I want to show you how to find the kilometer in this part. They gave us speed, that is 90 kilometers, but they now ask you to find the kilometer. Are you with me? So now let me now solve it and show you how it's done. Now let's go. So we have solution here. Now they gave us speed. The speed is what? 19 kilometers per hour. They gave us distance. Remember I told you that distance is kilometer, right? So distance is what? Is nothing. There's nothing here. They say how many kilometers? So there's nothing in kilometer. So it's nothing here. Then time is what? It's 3 hours. Are you with me? Now let's go. So time is 3 hours. So in this one now, in this question now, you have to do cross and multiply in this part. Now let me show you how it's done. Now, speed is what? Distance over time. Now they gave us, remember they gave us speed. Don't be confused. They gave us speed. Now, speed is 90 equals to what? Distance is what? Distance is what? Is nothing here. So find your distance. Let's use D to make it easy. Over 3. So 90 times 3 equals to D. So what is D here? D is 270 kilometers. So no, this one is not per hour. This one just kilometer because it asks to find kilometer and that is distance. Then in this part now, they ask you to find the speed. That's why it's called kilometer per hour. In this part, we are finding only what? The distance, that is kilometer. So that is it.